Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing, reviewing the amazing 2019 Advent Calendar by Glossy box. It has been a long wait, but it has been worth every day of the wait. It's incredible. Like, I've seen it all over Instagram, people showing what it looks like, and I am already in love. So now it's my turn, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So let's do the unveiling. Wow, just wow. I mean, I love the contrast with the greys, the pinks, the white, the rose gold. It is breathtaking. Like, they have worked it so well, and their little quote for it is, "Leave a little sparkle wherever you go," and this packaging truly reflects that. So for a subscriber, this advent calendar was £70. If you are a non-subscriber, it's £80. These are selling so quickly, so I would really recommend you getting yours as soon as you can, before they sell out. So we have got our little leaflet of what tells us what's inside. I will sometimes refer to it, but I'm going to try and not look too far ahead. So the first box, number one, is, ooh, this is a NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palette in warm neutrals. I mean, these shades are incredible. These are definitely colours that I'd use, especially like the top shades are great for mixing and blending. The matte shades I would use in the day and then add the shimmers for the evening. But these are very seasonal colours. Autumn is my favourite season. I love the reds, the burgundies, the oranges, so I'm very happy with that. And in our little booklet, this is a full-size palette and it is £16, so that is really good. I'm very happy with that. Put it back in there. So next is number two. Okay, this one is, oops, this is a sample of the Nomade Chloe fragrance. I personally haven't used any of Chloe's perfumes. Oh, but that's so sweet. The little bottle is cute. That's what it smells like. It's very warming, and I don't mean like a cinnamon warming. It's just really like autumny. Like when you smell it, you just imagine yourself in the autumn leaves. It's just really nice. So, and it's a great size that you can carry it in your handbag for when you're on the go, so that's quite good. And for the sample, that is worth £7.50. They refer to it as oak moss. Yes, I can get that with cherry plum. I don't get so much as cherry, but the oak moss is definitely what I was smelling. is number 3. Ooh, so this is it's the season to be glossy exclusive blending sponge. So as you can see, it is pink. It's quite firm. But always handy to have. So next is number 4. Oh, and that blending sponge was full size for £10. So number 4. And this is a Mystique lip and cheek pencil crayon. Oh no, I got that wrong. So the brand is mystique and Mystique is the name of the shade. So it's a gorgeous colour. I can open it. And again, this colour is perfect for this season. It's like a warm plum, and that would go perfectly with the eyeshadows that we got in our palette. So, number 5. Oh, and that is worth £20. That lip and cheek crown, £20. I mean, that is incredible. We are halfway of making up that box and we've only done 4 boxes. That is incredible. So 5. Ooh, I'm liking the look of this. Got to love a Body Shop item. So this is the Body Shop Almond Hand and Nail Manicure Cream. Body Shop hand creams are amazing. Oh, it smells so good. These are really handy to have. I do like using a hand cream, so I'm quite happy to have this. You can never have too many hand creams. But yeah, and this is full size at £5. So, 6. So this is a medium angled shading rose gold brush by Glossy. I have a few of their eyeshadow brushes. They are a vegan and cruelty free brand, which is pretty good. And this is full size at £9.50. And it's so soft. Oh, I'm intrigued. So this is the Last Splash Cosmetics Wickedly Divine Eyeliner. I mean, that packaging is beautiful, and the little red on the top, that is just incredible. So it's like a sparkly gold eyeliner, like so. And this is full size at £12. So this is the NUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Primer Oil. This has been all over Instagram because of how beautiful the packaging is. I mean, it is a primer oil with gold flakes. I mean, what more could you ask for? It's super absorbent that leaves a radiant, flawless and dewy finish. So if I can open it. I tell you, not one to give up. Oh, it is. There we go. So it looks like this. And it has like a little squeeze that you can then drop it along. And that would work really well with our blending sponge that we got as well. I'm so excited to try it. And this is cruelty free. And this is full size at £4. So number 9. I will be fine. So in here, oh, something wrapped. I do love unwrapping. And this is the Mitchell and Peach Flora No. 1 Bath Oil. So we got the Mitchell and Peach Flora No. 1 fragrance in last month's Glossy box. So to have a perfume and a bath oil that smell the same, I don't know how I feel about that. It's quite good in a way. Can't wait to use this. And that is a deluxe sample worth £8. Number 10. Cool, so it's a Sleek Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in shade Birthday Suit. So it's like a cute, I don't know how to explain it, like a pinky rose colour. This is, so it starts off as a liquid lipstick and then it mattifies so it dries, it doesn't flake or dry out, and it ensures the colour lasts all night long. And this is full size at $4.99. So 11. So this is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day in Shower Styler. Enhances texture and shine for air dried styles. Ooh. So this you apply in the shower to clean wet hair, generously coat from roots to ends, lightly rinse and towel dry. Ooh. So that sounds good. And that smells really nice. So this is a Deluxe Mini at 30 millilitres worth £5. Halfway through, and this, ooh, something shiny, is a Winky Lux Unibrow Pencil. So here we have our brow pencil, and so it's quite light, so I think it should be okay for someone with a fair complexion like mine, but it is something that you could build up to make it darker if you have darker eyebrows. And on the inside with a spoolie. So I'm really happy about that. It's all about the brows nowadays. And that is full size at £15. So next at 13. Oh, we've got another wrapped one. And this is, ooh, this is a Dr. Dennis Gross serum. So I'm going to refer to the handy booklet. This says, say goodbye to dark spots and discoloration thanks to this potent corrective serum, blending pure L-ascorbic acid, lactic acid and licorice root. This professional formula reduces the appearance of dark spots while also improving the tone and texture of the skin. So this is a Deluxe Mini worth £23. Honestly? Ooh, that is an intense colour. It reminds me of like the gummy worm sweets. Oh, you can definitely smell that licorice. It smells very sweet. I'm not someone that like has dark spots or discoloration, so it's probably not something that I would personally use. But it's great that they're using products and brands that you wouldn't necessarily look for, because, you know, it's a great way of finding new things to try. So 14. So this is, oh, we have another wrapped one. So this is the 331NA, I don't know how you pronounce it, cream eyeshadow. and it's a light brown colour. Oh wow, look at that shimmer. That is just incredible. So this is full size and is £12.95. Again, this is something you could wear in the evenings to a party, or if you're very bold and you love shimmer glitter eyeshadows, then this would be your everyday look. But I could imagine putting that on top of some of the matte colours that we got in our NYX eyeshadow palette in the first day box. I like how a lot of these items you can mix together and use together, almost like they're creating a specific look for you. So next is 15. Oh, so this is BU Candy Lover All-in-One Toothpaste by Cura, and it's Swiss. I have never heard of this before. Oh my days, it smells just like watermelon. Oh, that is so refreshing. So this is a whitening, bacteria fighting toothpaste that protects and brightens your teeth, and it is watermelon flavour. So this is a deluxe mini worth £3.10. I'm so happy to receive this. I can't wait to try that actually. Bring on brushing teeth. So 16. Honestly, so these boxes. Oh, no, I have it the wrong way. Great, okay, it's this way. There we go. Ooh, so this is Nude by Nature Touch of Glow Highlight Stick in shade Champagne. And this is a deluxe mini worth £9. That is a beautiful colour. And this is a sort of shade that would suit all skin tone types. Oh, this smells chocolatey, but that could just be me. And this also has vitamin E to help protect and moisturise your complexion. So that's really good. Next, 17. Oh, so here it looks like we've got a full size product. I'm so happy. So this is the Ritual Sakura Celebrate Each Day as a New Beginning Magic Touch Body Cream in Organic Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom. I love Ritual's products, but I am using the Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom hand cream, so to now have the body cream that matches, I am so happy. In Japan, the annual flowering of Sakura has been celebrated for centuries and symbolises the beauty of life. Make each day feel like a new beginning. I am in love. It is a really sweet scent. A really sweet scent that just uplifts you. It's like sitting in a cherry blossom orchard. Like, I am so happy right now. And this is worth £8. so I'm very happy. So 18. I know this packaging, and this is the Dr. Purple Original Balm. I have had these in multiple past subscription boxes. These are a really good multi-purpose product. It can be used for your skin, your lips, hands, heels, elbows, just anything. So this is the Deluxe Mini worth £4. So 19, and this is so this is the Avant Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream. Apply in the morning after cleansing and apply this. So it's a moisturiser for the day. This is full size. £98. You've got to be kidding me. Glossy box. £98. Are you sure? Oh my days. That is incredible. Thank you. Like, well, that's the box made up on its own then, isn't it? Like, that is just wow. Thank you. Is all I can say. So 20, and we have another palette, and this is the Barium blusher palette. So it doesn't give you individual shade colours, but they are pretty warm colours. You got a mixture of matte and shimmery hues. This blusher palette will help you achieve a healthy looking flush. And this is full size at $5.99. So 21. Keep opening it the wrong way. You may be wondering why I keep saying that. Well, it's because it has all tissue paper. So in 21 we have a dermatological daily exfoliant, Super Fillion. So I've read about this. So what you do is you pour some into your hand and then you wet it, and then you use it as an exfoliant. It helps with anti-pollution, resurfacing, and it helps fight against biochemical and environmental triggers known to accelerate age skin. Age skin? Skin aging, that's the one I want. So this is a deluxe mini worth $17.50. $22. And this is a deluxe mini of the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner waterproof liquid eyeliner in Trooper Black. I'm very happy to receive this, and this is a deluxe mini worth £6. Can never go wrong with a liquid eyeliner. Great for doing like a cat eye or a smoky look. 23. So this is a Steve Laurent lip gloss. I love the packaging, it's so pretty. And this is cherry. Oh wow. So we've got this rose gold top and oh my days. And it does smell like cherries. Look at that colour. This is perfect for having in your handbag, and that colour is just incredible. Still can't get over it. That will be getting used. And this is full size at £17. Thank you. Oh, second to last box. So 24. And we still want more. And this. Ooh, another wrapped one. And this is, it's a Be Your Incredible Self with Nails ink. It is a gold nail varnish in Golden Days Ahead. So even though it is a beautiful, beautiful colour, I'm not someone that would wear gold nail varnish personally. But I might give it a go, and you never know, I might be converted to gold nail varnish. I normally go with darker tones or silvers, but very seasonal, very festive, so it does belong quite well in the box. And this is full size at £11. We have come to the last box, and it is huge. Feel like a drum roll. Oh wow. It's a Tarte palette. Look at that. Oh my days. It is beautiful. Wow. I mean, that is incredible. It feels so heavy. And it's so cute because on the mirror it says chiseled like a diamond. So this is a contour and highlight palette, and the shades are Halo, Enhance, Carrot, Princess Cut, Angle and Crown. that is just incredible. And this is obviously full size, £40. I'm so happy. Honestly, this has got to be the best thing. I'm so happy that I got this advent calendar because it is just so many amazing brands and products, and honestly it is like a present day today. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video as much as I've really enjoyed opening this. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. What was your favourite box, your favourite product? Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you again soon. Bye!